Okay, so to find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to another line, so for example, say it was perpendicular to 3x minus 7y plus 1 equals 0, then what you basically need to do is you need to rearrange this to find the gradient of this line. So to do that, you need to put it into gradient y-intercept form. Gradient y-intercept form, so it's 7y, and then divide by 7, and then because it's in gradient y-intercept form, see I can find that equation. And then to get the gradient of your line, you have to flip it and change the sign. So if that was the gradient of the other line, then the gradient of your line would be minus 7 on 3. So you flip it and change the sign. And then you use the gradient point formula, because now you have the gradient point, and then they'll give you a point. So let's just say the point that it goes through. So it's going to be perpendicular to that line, and the point that it goes through is 2, 4. Then all that you need to do now is just go y minus 4 equals minus 7 on 3 x minus 2. Once again, here's this fraction thing. If you multiply both sides by 3, they'll cancel there. 3y is a 3y. You don't have to multiply the 2, because effectively by putting it outside the bracket you are multiplying the 2. But you want it to cancel out. 3y minus 12 equals minus 7x plus 14, because it's minus 7. And minus times a minus is a plus, so it'll be plus 14. Bring it all to the one side, so you've got 7x plus 3y minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16. So let's just look at this example. So you start with the equation, that's the first step, and you need to find its gradient. So you move the 2y over, and then if you divide by 2, you can see that the gradient would be 3 on 2, because I've put in the form of y equals mx plus b. Okay, then we have a point. Now, this gradient, we have to flip it, and we have to change its sign, because it's perpendicular to this line. So you go y minus 3 equals minus 2 on 3, x minus 2. You move the 3 to the other side, so you get 3 times y minus 3. It's minus 2 times x minus 2. Expand all these brackets. 3y minus 9 is minus 2x plus 4. Then you bring everything to the one side, so you've got 2x plus 3y minus 9 minus 4 is 0. 2x plus 3y minus 13 is 0. Okay, and a second example, 4x plus 2y plus 1 is 0. First step, move everything to the other side, because that's a positive 2y. And I get the gradient of this line, minus 4x on 2, minus 1 on 2, minus 2x minus a half. So the gradient of this line is minus 2. The gradient of the line perpendicular would be a half. And we also have a point, minus 2 minus 4. So you just have to put it in, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So it's y minus 4 is a half x minus minus 2. Because that was minus minus 4, so that was a plus. To get rid of the 2, times it on both sides. That's just like timesing the whole thing there. Cancel out. So it's 2y plus 4 equals 1x plus 2, 2y plus 8, because you've got to open your bracket, equals 1x plus 2. Bring everything to the one side, because I prefer general form. X minus 2y plus 2 minus 8, x minus 2y minus 6 equals 0.